Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So here it is, the OnePlus 10 Pro in action. We can see the gadget in the black color, which looks fantastic. When I originally saw the render images, I wasn't sure how it would look in real life, but seeing it in person is stunning. We saw the dummy unit at the China store a few days ago and it seemed quite similar to the actual design. OnePlus has also released the official teasers and the phone's initial glimpse. We are only a few days away from the OnePlus 10 Pro's release date. Not only do I have the hands-on video, but I also have camera specs of the 10 Pro. As we all know, OnePlus has collaborated with the Hasselblad to improve the camera software for OnePlus devices, resulting in more natural and realistic images. It's finally official that the OnePlus 10 Pro's 3 rear cameras are a 48 megapixel primary, a 50 megapixel telephoto and an 8 megapixel ultrawide as promised. And what OnePlus has revealed so far about those cameras are the most notable features they will have. As you can see, the images on the screen are from the OnePlus 10 Pro. It's a little difficult to describe without becoming too technical, but photography fans will enjoy it. Because of this functionality, the OnePlus 10 Pro can shoot in a 10-bit color, capture photos with a 25% boost in DCI P3 color gamut coverage, and process 64 more colors than the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is a significant improvement on paper. The OnePlus 10 Pro's 3 rear cameras all features a second generation Hasselblad Pro mode, which means photography may be taken in 12-bit RAW. Professional and hobbyist photographers who prefer retouching their photographs after they have been captured will appreciate this feature because they will have more to work with. Unlike more commonly used image formats such as PNG or JPG, the RAW picture format provides minimal processed data, OnePlus also mentions. The ultrawide sensor on the OnePlus 10 Pro has finally been revealed. We now know that it has a 150-degree field of view, for example. That's up to 4 times broader than standard ultrawide camera according to OnePlus. Another option to assist photography enthusiasts to get more out of their phones is movie mode. This function on the device allows the user to alterate the camera's ISO, shutter speed and other settings both during and before video capture. Looking at all camera section, it appears that company has done something significant with the camera setup. As the company claims, we must wait till the phone is released, since we will learn more about it once we have it in our hands. What do you think about this OnePlus promises? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.